So to represent root 7 on number line, first of all we have to make root 5 and root 6. So for making root 5 we have to draw a number line, and I have considered OA as 2 unit and AB perpendicular to OA, and AB is equals to 1 unit. So now join point O to point B. Now join point O to point B and it forms a right angle triangle. Now we have to find the value of OB. So by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle OBA, that is h square is equals to p square plus b square. H is here OB and P is AB and B is OA. So AB here is 1 and OA is 2. So 1 square plus 2 square is 1 plus 4, that is 5. OB square is equals to 5 and OB is equals to root 5. Now to represent root 5 on number line, take your compass at point O and draw an arc on number line, and this specific point is root 5. Now from point O to point C is root 5. Now to represent root 6 on the number line, we already know that OB is root 5. OB is root 5 and draw BD perpendicular to OB and take BD as 1 unit. And to find OD we use Pythagoras theorem, that is h square is equals to p square plus b square. Here h hypotenuse is OD and perpendicular is BD and base is OB. So we already know that OB base, that is root 5, BD is 1 and OB is root 5. So 1 square plus root 5 square is 1 plus 5, that is 6. So OD square is 6 and OD is equals to root 6. And by using Pythagoras theorem in ODF, we already know that OD is root 6 and draw DF perpendicular to OD and mark DF as 1 unit. So to find OF we use Pythagoras theorem, that is h square is equals to p square plus b square. H hypotenuse OF, that is OF is equals to perpendicular is DF and base is OD. So here perpendicular DF is 1 and OD base is root 6. So 1 square plus root 6 square is 1 plus 6 and OF square is equals to 7 and then OF is equals to root 7. And to represent root 7 on number line, take your compass point at O point and draw an arc to number line, and this specific point is root 7 and OG is equals to root 7. Thank you. So to represent root 3 on number line, first of all we have to make root 2. For making root 2 we have to draw a number line. I have taken OA as 1 unit and AB perpendicular to OA and AB is also of 1 unit. So now join point O to point B, and to find OB by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle OAB, that is h square is equals to p square plus b square. So hypotenuse is OB square is equals to AB square plus OA square. So AB is 1 and OA is also 1. So 1 square plus 1 square is 1 plus 1 and 2. So OB square is equals to 2 and OB is root 2. Now to represent root 2 on number line, by using compass, put the compass point on point O and draw an arc on number line, and this specific point is root 2. Now from point O to point C is root 2. Now to represent root 3 on number line, we have already we already know that OB is root 2, and draw BD perpendicular to OB, and mark BD as 1 unit, and to find OD we use Pythagoras theorem, that is h square is equals to p square plus b square. H is OD is equals to hypotenuse is OD and base is OB and perpendicular is BD. So the perpendicular is BD, so BD is 1 and OB is root 2. So 1 square is 1 plus root 2 square is 2, so 2 plus 1 is 3. OD square is equals to 3 and OD is root 2. OD is root 2. OD is root 2. To mark root 3 and OD is root 3, and to mark root 3 on number line, take your compass and mark an arc on the number line, and this specific point is root 3. Now from O to point E